now at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. We're doing another video on Magnum rubber band, wooden rubber band guns. Okay, they're the best wooden rubber band guns you can get because they're made in America. They're made of a hard poplar wood, not like in China. You get that cheap young wood. It's very, it's very soft and they break easy. This is the best gun they make, I think, just in the way of detail and authenticity. This is a Kentucky rifle. It's got this really cool flint-like detail to it. It doesn't do anything, but it's just great looks, okay? This is a 12-shot mechanism. All their guns are 12-shot, but this is, I think, their prettiest gun, okay? This is a Kentucky rifle. Now, it doesn't come with, you can get it with scope and sling, but a Kentucky rifle didn't have a scope and sling because they didn't have scopes and slings back in the 1800s, okay? So this is really cool, okay? Let's see if we can. That is the Kentucky rifle. It's really got a cool barrel here that's beveled into the stock here. The nice little detail here, right here in the butt of the gun. This is a really beautiful gun. So I mean, if you got kids that are nostalgic into the 1800s, the Alamo and that kind of stuff, this is the gun you want to get. If you've got a toy store or a store that's near the Alamo, this is the gun. Or even Kentucky, this is the gun, the Kentucky rifle.
Well, it was called. It was also called the Pennsylvanian rifle, and it's during the 1700s it began to be used by the colony.
You have no idea what you're talking about. The Pennsylvania rifle, huh?
They used to call that too.
He thinks he knows everything, and I know everything. So how can we both know everything?
British American colonies.
British American colony
until 1776. Yeah, used. French and Indian
ProTinkerToys.com.
War, Revolutionary War.
That's great.
Get it right, buddy. Or don't get it right at all.
All right, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Okay, check out our other videos. This is the Kentucky rifle, Magnum wooden rubber band guns, the best rubber band guns, wooden rubber band guns you can buy because they're made in the U.S., guys. For heaven's sake, made in the U.S. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.